leverage to work for you, well, it can greatly improve health processes. So, to help you understand how Fujitsu can help you gain control over the growing volume of patient data, why don't we walk through a typical day in the life of this data in a medical facility? So it begins when the patient enters the building to check in. Now, generally, they bring paper documents and identification containing information that needs to be captured. The first step is a Fujitsu scanner. These plug-and-play devices scan paper documents and insurance and ID cards. Extracting patient data is then automatically populated to an EMR system where it's accessible to the staff within moments. But Fujitsu scanners aren't only used for admitting. They're solving issues wherever organizations are making the complete transition from paper-based patient records to electronic health records. Here are 3 key reasons health providers are choosing Fujitsu scanners. We provide high-quality, reliable systems. The intuitive interface that they feature requires very little training, and they easily integrate into the rest of an enterprise IT system. Well, now let's look at the next stop in the data follows in a healthcare facility, patient registration. To help ensure that this is a quick and accurate process, Fujitsu offers MedServ 70. This is a freestanding patient registration platform. MedServ enables patients to check in, update their profile and insurance coverage, submit requests for prescription refills, and settle copay and account balances, all without having to wait in line. And since surveys indicate that the most frustrating part of a hospital or clinic visits for patients, Brianna, is the check-in process, well, having this solution available, that decreases patient stress levels and it improves patient experience. Of course, hospitals and clinics benefit as well. By eliminating redundant data entry and the copying and filing of paper-based forms, they can significantly reduce administrative costs. In addition, collecting copay at the point of service dramatically increases the likelihood of receiving copay and patient payment. Now, some of the features that make MedServ stand out include it leverages Palm Secure. It authenticates, ensures patients of virtually eliminating fraud. It's offered in freestanding, countertop, and in wall-mounted configurations, and that provides options where floor space is at a premium. And MedServ features an intuitive interface that makes registration, check-in, payment, and post-visit care instructions really easy to follow. So, the data's been collected, but where does it go? Well, hopefully someplace safe and someplace where it can be reliably accessed. Well, here again, Fujitsu plays a vital role in the day of the life of data. Our innovative server solutions give storage, backup, database performance, virtualized environments, and overall performance enhancement. This rock-solid storage and access enables you to enhance collaboration between healthcare professionals to facilitate first-rate patient care decisions and improve the accuracy of patient-provider-payer transactions. So, we've collected data, we've stored it, we've made it accessible, but what about retrieving it? And retrieving it where and when it's needed, and in a manner that makes it actionable. Well, this is the most dynamic phase in the life of data because it becomes exceedingly mobile, following patients wherever they go within a healthcare facility. And making this happen are mobile solutions from Fujitsu. These lightweight yet ruggedized and durable devices are providing greater access to medical information anywhere, from the exam room to the bedside. And as a result, your medical staff can essentially bring a patient's records, lab and imaging documentation, clinical references with them wherever they go. And in addition, they gain very timely sharing capabilities. Today, EMR requirements are dictating that critical documents be completed and shared quickly and easily. The pen and touch technology from Fujitsu is allowing healthcare workers to do just that, with limited typing, improved click and drop tools, voice recognition, and video photo interactions with patients. This is liberation from paper. Vastly improved access to data is driving greater patient engagement and increased productivity. So our data is having quite a busy day, from collection to storage to retrieval to contributing to patient care. But there's one more very important component in the day of the life of data. A component that's probably keeping somebody in your organization up at night, am I right? Security. Threats to your data come from both outside and inside the corporate network, with the internal ones becoming the most insidious. In healthcare, risks to cybersecurity have grown as medical employees, patients, and visitors gain access to networks with unsecured or compromised devices, rendering network perimeter defenses ineffective. Fujitsu can help win this battle over your data with a solution called iNetSec. Now, this internal network security appliance provides both network visibility and security response. iNetSec discovers and classifies all network devices and their activities, giving you the ability to block both unauthorized and compromised devices. This can stop an unwanted intrusion before your data is at rest. Remote attacks, they're also very real and damaging. iNetSec would detect these advanced threats by correlating internal network traffic behaviors and stopping a data breach. With effective network security from security, you can avoid the extensive IT and legal costs that are caused by data breaches, plus a potentially damaging brand reputation and loss of customers. And that sleep-deprived person in your organization, well, they can finally get a good night's rest. So that's our glimpse of data in a healthcare facility. Now you can get a more in-depth view of how our solutions leverage data to enhance patient experiences and medical outcomes by visiting one of our representatives here at our many stations around the booth. And that's it.
Very good, very good.